Hi, my dears. Welcome to the last session of the chapter The Signature of Time. Here we will discuss about the sudden movements of the earth like earthquake, volcanoes, and tsunami. Let's start with earthquake. What is an earthquake? Rocks in the deeper part of the earth undergo displacement and falls due to the plate movements and other causes. Under such situations, severe pressure is exerted on the Earth's lithosphere and seismic waves are generated just like waves in a pond, spreading in all directions when a heavy object falls into it. These waves create tremors on the Earth's surface. These tremors are experienced by us as earthquake. Apart from plate movements and faulting, earthquakes occur due to other reasons as well. These are collapse of the roofs of mines, pressure in reservoirs, and volcanic eruptions. The deep points inside the earth where the earthquake occur are known as focus, and the point vertically above it on the earth's surface is known as epicenter. Three types of waves are produced from the focus during an earthquake: primary waves, secondary waves, and the surface waves. The surface waves are the most destructive ones. The seismic waves are recorded by an instrument called seismograph. The Richter scale measures the intensity of energy released at the time of an earthquake. Let's learn about tsunami. Tremor waves originating due to earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, meteor impacts, etc. in the ocean floor generates huge sea waves rising to several meters. Such waves are called tsunamis. It is the coastal regions mainly affected by the disastrous effect of tsunamis. Tsunami surveillance and warning systems are widely in operation today. This system aims to identify the areas prone to tsunami and also to extend warning to the coastal areas so as to prevent loss of life. On behalf of the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, a real-time tsunami monitoring system named DART or Deep Ocean Assessment and Reporting of Tsunami has been established at various locations. Satellite communication systems are being utilized for the purpose. What are the measures we can take to mitigate the impact of tsunamis? Yes, first one, recession in sea level may be an indicator of tsunami. If so, move on to safer locations. Next one, take official warnings seriously. Next, don't arrive at self conclusion that the dangerous situation is over. Wait for official declaration. Last one, once trapped by tsunami waves, try to escape holding any floating materials firmly. NCC, Red Cross and other voluntary organizations has important role in disaster management activities in tsunami affected regions. You can also participate in such disaster management operations. Last one, volcanoes. You have learned that the plate margins are active with volcanoes. Haven't you noticed the hot molten rock that comes out through the fissures on the crust? Volcanoes are formed by such molten rock materials coming out through the fissures along the plate margins. Nearly 80% of the world's volcanoes are situated around the Pacific Ocean. This zone, containing more than 452 volcanoes, is known as the Pacific Ring of Fire. You know that volcanoes pose serious threats to life, but they are also helpful in many ways. Don't you want to know how they are useful to man? First one, the soil formed by the weathering of lava rocks is fertile. For example, the black soil of the Deccan Plateau. Next one, volcanic ash is a good manure. Last one, geysers are formed in many volcanic regions. Such regions are being developed as tourist centers. For example, the Old Faithful Geyser, Yellowstone National Park in North America. Let's conclude the chapter. What we learned from this chapter? Yes, from this chapter we learned about the endogenic movements of the earth called diastrophic movement and saddle movement. We know that plate movements are examples for diastrophic movements. But in sudden movement, it includes volcanic eruptions, earthquake, and tsunami. Hope you all understood what we learned today. Meet in the next class with a new chapter. Thank you.